Eureka, 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 Eureka!
I got it!
Welcome to Eureka Publication Private Limited, creators of engaging textbooks and digital learning tools. Let's dive right in.
Welcome! In this activity, our aim is to discover the factors affecting upthrust, also called the buoyant force. We'll follow Activity 8.5 with simple lab gear and clear visuals. Materials required: a spring balance, 2 identical metal cubes, such as iron, 1 larger wooden block, a beaker, water, and salty water. Factor 1. The volume of the object immersed. We start with the small iron cube. We record its weight in air, call this W sub air. Now immerse it completely in water, and record the new reading, call this W sub water. The upthrust U equals W sub air minus W sub water. Now repeat with a larger wooden block. You will see the upthrust is larger, even though the wood is lighter. That is because the wooden block displaces a larger volume of water. Factor 2. The density of the fluid. Take the same iron cube. First immerse it in pure water, and note the reading, call it W sub water. Now immerse it in salty water, and note the reading, call it W sub salty. You will find W sub salty is less than W sub water. That means the apparent loss in weight, W sub air minus W sub salty, is larger in salty water. The denser fluid exerts a greater upthrust. Why do these two factors matter? By Archimedes' idea, the upthrust equals the weight of the displaced fluid. That depends on how much fluid is displaced, which is the immersed volume, and on how heavy the fluid is per unit volume, which is its density. In symbols, U equals rho times G times V immersed. Summary: upthrust increases with the immersed volume. Upthrust increases with the fluid density. Using a spring balance, we can measure apparent weight and compute U as W sub air minus W sub fluid. Great work exploring buoyancy.
This session was brought to you by Eureka Publication Private Limited. Think it, dream it, do it. Join us for the next lesson. Till then, like, subscribe, and share. Eureka Digital Publications, creators of trusted textbooks and digital learning tools.